Hey there! Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or just someone who likes to be ready for any circumstance, you've come to the perfect place. In this video, we will explore some of the most essential survival tools that should be a part of your preparedness arsenal. These tools, ranging from fire starters to water filters, are crafted to ensure your safety and survival in the wilderness or during any emergency. Number 7. Get things heated up with a fire starter. When it comes to surviving in the wilderness, having a dependable way to start a fire is absolutely crucial. It not only keeps you warm and helps you cook food, but it's also an essential tool for signaling for help. Therefore, including a fire starter in your survival kit is a no-brainer. However, with the multitude of options available, choosing the right one can be challenging. Number 6. Don't be left in the dark with NowLight. Finding yourself in pitch darkness during a power outage is always a nightmare. However, the deciwatt NowLight can provide you with a source of light without requiring live electricity. By utilizing kinetic energy to activate the light, the NowLight is automatically turned on by simply pulling the attached cord. The more you pull the cord in a steady motion, the longer it charges the light's 3.2V battery. The kit also includes a satellite box, which can be charged via USB and placed in another room to provide light when needed. The NowLight kit boasts several outstanding features that make it an essential resource for any home. Just wait a moment. In order to help and support us, please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content like this. Number 5. Tackle anything with the Sportsman Camo Pocket Chainsaw. Having survival tools that can fit in your pocket is incredibly convenient, and the Sportsman Camo Pocket Chainsaw is a valuable addition to your survival essentials. This portable hand saw kit includes a 36-inch steel chain with the cutting capabilities of a motorized chainsaw. Crafted from high-grade heat-treated steel, the chain has teeth that cut in both directions, allowing you to see through trees and other soft materials found in the great outdoors. Number 4. Aerial A1 Lightweight Tent and Hammock. Whether you're a solo camper or a group that enjoys setting up camp in challenging terrain, the Aerial A1 is an excellent addition to your camping trip. This portable camping shelter enhances your sleeping experience, providing warmth from below for a better night's sleep. Its intuitive design caters to real campers, even those who struggle with sleep disturbances. The flat sleeping surface allows for hassle-free positioning of your body, while the webbing offers a spring-like mattress effect that absorbs movement without tipping. Number 3. Headlamp, illuminate the night. Having a reliable source of light is paramount in a survival situation. It not only helps you navigate in the dark, but also enables you to perform tasks safely. This is where a quality headlamp becomes indispensable. These handy devices strap to your head, leaving your hands free for other tasks. The main types of headlamps include LED, rechargeable, and waterproof. LED headlamps are energy efficient with a long lifespan, although they may be slightly dimmer than other types. Number 2. Signal mirror, shine like a star. In a survival scenario, the ability to signal for help can be a life-saving difference. That's where a good signal mirror comes into play. These useful devices can reflect sunlight to attract the attention of rescuers from miles away. When selecting a signal mirror, it's crucial to choose one made of durable material with a reflective surface that's easy to see. Number 1. Paracord, the ultimate survival rope. Having a versatile rope that can handle various tasks is a game changer in survival situations. Enter the trusty Paracord. These versatile ropes can be used for everything from building shelters to equipment repair in emergency situations. When choosing a paracord, prioritize durability and a high breaking strength. It's also a wise idea to become familiar with different knots and how to use them. Equipping yourself with the right survival tools for any situation can significantly impact your safety. From fire starters to personal locator beacons, these gadgets are designed to keep you alive and well in any emergency. Remember to choose the devices that best fit your needs and practice using them before the need arises. Stay safe and prepared with these 10 indispensable survival gadgets.